Google might have just leaked its own product, and it looks like almost nobody at the company noticed. Fans digging through the new Pixel 11 ad campaign spotted a wrist-worn device that doesn't match anything Google has officially announced. It's small, it has a narrow vertical display, and it's wrapped around someone's wrist like it belongs there. Here's why that matters. Google's wearable lineup has a very obvious gap right now, and this mystery device fits into it almost too perfectly. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where this fits, what it could mean for Fitbit fans, and why the timing couldn't be more interesting. Right now, Google's wearable strategy has two clear ends. On one side, you've got the Google Pixel Watch 5, a full-blown smartwatch with a big display and deep software integration. On the other side, there's the Fitbit Air, which strips things down completely and skips the screen altogether. That leaves a pretty noticeable space in the middle, and that's exactly where a screen-equipped Fitbit tracker would live. So when this pill-shaped device showed up quietly in the background of an ad, it lined up with a spot in the lineup that's basically been sitting empty. The Google Fitbit Charge 6 came out back in September 2023, which means it's now creeping up on 3 years old. And if you look at the pattern before that, Google and Fitbit used to refresh this line roughly every 2 years. That gap alone would be reason enough for a new model. Skeptical, but add in the fact that Google just introduced the Fitbit Air, and it starts to look like the company has been quietly rethinking where the Charge series actually belongs. A refreshed Google Fitbit Charge 7 would make a lot of sense right about now, and honestly, it might be overdue. Let's talk about what's actually visible. The shape looks noticeably more rounded than the current Charge 6, almost pill-like, which suggests this isn't just a color refresh. It could be a genuine redesign. Now, before anyone gets too excited, there are other explanations worth mentioning. This could be an unreleased prototype that slipped into the ad by mistake, or in a less thrilling scenario, it might just be a digitally created device made for marketing purposes and never meant to ship at all. That possibility shouldn't be dismissed, but the fact that the same device keeps showing up across multiple ads makes coincidence a lot less likely. If this really is the next generation, it wouldn't need to reinvent anything from scratch. The current Google Fitbit Charge 6 already covers a lot of ground, with a color touchscreen, built-in GPS, heart rate tracking, ECG support, Google Maps, and Google Wallet. So a Charge 7 could simply build on that foundation. Reportedly, Google has been leaning into AI across its wearable lineup, and some of those same smarts from the Pixel Watch 5 could realistically trickle down here too. Think smarter workout guidance or more personalized health insights, assuming Google decides to bring that experience to its fitness trackers as well. So, is this the Google Fitbit Charge 7 or something else entirely? Right now, nobody outside Google can say for certain, but the pieces fit together in a way that's hard to ignore. What do you think Google is actually building here? Drop your guess in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss the moment this thing gets confirmed. Because if this really is the Charge 7, it might be worth the wait.